Okay, to get started with coursework 2, the first thing we need is a database, and I'm going to use SQLite. So first thing I'll do is SQLite 3 download, and this looks like the SQL thing. I want the command line tool, so I'm just looking in Windows for the command line tool. Here's the command line shell. That's what I want to start with. So I will just take a look at that. It looks like this is the thing I need. I'm not sure where to put it. I think maybe I'll put it on the desktop just for the moment. So that's the SQLite command line tool, and we'll see if we can open it. So I'll go to CMD, and let's just try desktop/SQLite. That looks good. .quit to get out. Okay, I'm going to start my project. So I'll make a directory, and this is coursework 2. So cd coursework 2, and I'm going to create a database. So the way we do this, we run our SQLite program from the command line, and we give it a parameter, and this is going to be the name of our database, and I'm going to call it store. So store.db. That's the name of my database. Okay, and let's first of all create a product table. Every product is going to have a, I can't do it like this, I'm going to have to create an editor. Start. Let's write some SQL here. So create table product, and every product has got a 6-digit ID. So varchar 6, this is the, let's just call it ID, and that's the primary key, and it's got a description, and that can be, say, 100 characters, and let's give it a price as well. Decimal, let's go for 10.2. Okay, and we'll see if that works. So I'll copy that and then go to here and try and paste. Okay, didn't like that. I've got a dot somewhere. Yep, a dot in the primary key. That shouldn't be a dot there. That should be a comma. Let's make it a bit bigger. Copy that and right click. That seemed to work. So we've got that. Let's put some data in. Insert into product values. Okay, so item number 112233. That is a laptop computer, Yoga 3, Yoga 910, Yoga 3 910, something like that. And let's see, the price of that is 1,300. Let's have another product, copy that and paste again. So that's computer. We also want 112234. This is a large screen monitor. And let's say that is 100. Let's say that's £100. Okay, so 2 products in my catalog. Copy that and paste it in. It looks like we've got 2 products. Let's just check that this works. Select star from product. Yep, that looks good. So it should be possible to write a Python program that finds that data. Let's try and do that first. So Python program. Oh, this table here, this I'm going to save this. So save as. This is a useful table to have. So I'm going to keep this because this is how you start your project off. And this is coursework 2. Okay, and this is maketable.sql. Okay, it's a good idea to have your SQL statements to create your database, at least with test data, and have that as part of your project. So I like to start off with maketable.sql, and we can run that. What I usually do is at the top I put in drop table product, and that means that I can run this over and over again. So if I save that, let me show you from the command line, what I can do now is, that's my SQL, and I can take its input from make table, and that deleted and recreated the table. Okay, let's write some Python to examine that table. So first thing I do in my Python program is import sqlite 3, and we'll just save that. Save as, this is my first test.py. Okay, and let's run that. Python, what do I call it? Test. Yep, that seemed to work okay. Okay, and now we'll see if we can get some data out of there. So first of all, I need a connection. So con equals sqlite3 dot connect, and I've got to give the name of the database that I created, and I called that store.db. So let's store.db, so that's my connection, and I will make a cursor. So cursor equals connection.cursor, and we'll run an SQL statement. So we'll do cur.execute, and an SQL statement could be something like select star from product, and we'll try and get one. So let's try cur.fetch1. We'll print that out, see if that works. So I saved that. Let's run my test again. Okay, that didn't work because I did an equal instead of minus instead of an equals. Let's try that. Okay, that looks good. It's picked the data out of the database. It's fixed the first one. So I know that I have SQLite working. It may be that this doesn't work first off, and it could be that you have to install Python, install SQLite for Python. So you might have to do pip install PySQLite 3. So you might have to do that before you can make things work. Okay,